doing? So in today's video, as you guys can see it on the title, we are unboxing another Nike Low Dunks, and in today's colorway, we are unboxing the Team Green. You guys, we have unboxed so many dunks this year. We had our Coast, we had our regular black and white, we have our off-whites, and if you guys haven't checked them out, go ahead and check them out. Shameless plug. But with that being said, I feel like low dunks are one of my favorite shoes because first of all, they are so comfortable. I feel like they're the most comfy shoes I have. Since they're not as like, you know, high price up there, I can literally wear it casually, like no need to worry about like someone stepping on my shoes. But I mean, I still care about it, but you know what I'm saying, it's not like $500 shoes. But yeah, I am so pumped because green is my current obsession right now. I love green. It's that season for me where I am obsessing with color, and green is the color that I am obsessing. So I have been waiting for this day. This box has been sitting right here for 3 days and I've been just wanting to open it. But yeah, I think I just need to stop because this is it. This is the moment that I've been waiting. I can unbox this right now. But before that though, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. Come subscribe, it's free 99. Here is our handy dandy scissors and let's open this. And if you guys are interested where I got this from, I will link it down below. Go ahead and check them out. Yes. Oh my god, I am so pumped. This is my favorite part of videos. It's Christmas every time I open boxes like this. Okay, I'm excited. It's in a box, so we know that it is protected. Okay, this is super protected. We love it. We love bubble wraps. A little bit of ASMR. So it comes in a regular Nike box and we do have Nike all around it, as you guys can see. I did get size 8.5 in women's because that is my size. Yeah. Let's just open this. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. This might be my favorite dunks that I own right now. Look at this baby right here. It is so nice. I love it. Let's take a look at the other one. Ooh, but honestly, I don't know why it's in this plastic. But it's protecting the shoes, I guess. I love them. I will definitely wear this today. I mean, I don't know if this will match me. I mean, this shoes was released on June 3rd, 2020. I feel like it's that time. They were dropping dunks left and right, and this is one of them, and it had a retail price of $100. I don't know what else to say. They're just so pretty, but I don't know. Apparently these are the Michigan State colors. I am jealous because they have their own dunk shoes. Colorway, it is so simple. We just have two colors. We have the university green and white. That is it. And I think there is some burnt orange right there. And there's also two versions of this colorway right here. We have the high dunk and the low dunk. I personally like the low dunk better than the high dunk. I don't know, I feel like low dunks are just so comfortable, especially on your ankle. Let's take a closer look of this shoe right here. The Nike Dunk Low Varsity Green is composed of white leather, uppers with varsity green leather, overlays, and swoosh logos. From there, woven retro Nike logo tongue, labels, and heel embroidery nod to original Nike Dunks from 1985. So as you guys can see, it is in a university green all around. On the bottom sole, we just have a team green color. Nothing really special. It is the same as the other Dunks out there. And in front, we just have a white toes, which I love. It's my favorite colored toes. I don't know, white toes, it just looks more cleaner than any other color toes. It only comes with one lace, and what we have is a flat lace, and it looks like this. And the tongue looks like that. And moving on to the back, it looks like we just have a regular Nike white embroidery right there. Super clean, super nice. I love that. And on the inside sole, we do have a burnt orange Nike logo. That is so fast. There's nothing really going on. It's just like a regular Dunk. Across the board, this looks like it is reselling for about $255 through $385. It all depends on your sizes. I cannot wait to put these on for you guys, so let's just try it on.
I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up, and then somebody so messed up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Really, he fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. You say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping the thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, tell him just listen.
And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give it a like if you like it. Also subscribe if you haven't. What do you guys think about this shoe? Are you guys gonna cop it or not? I definitely love it. I think it's safe to say it is my favorite colorway out of the Coast and my black and white. Also get excited, we have another shoe that is on the way right now. It is all black and it's Yeezys. Make sure to subscribe and keep in touch. I will be posting every single week. And also before I forget, today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for commenting. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. My battery is dying. Bye.
Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage.